Alright guys, so I'm actually on my way right now to Connecticut. Well, I'm not going to Connecticut right away because I gotta go get some Haitian patties for my mom, so I'm gonna go get some herring patties. So right now I want to say happy Vlogmas Day 11! So I'm gonna go spend some time with both my sisters today, Dar and Dan. Probably have a few drinks, go get some dinner. I'm probably not gonna, I'm gonna try not to stay out there that long, but like if I get home at like 9 o'clock, it is what it is because the house is clean, remember that? So hopefully you guys watch Vlogmas Day number 10. So I kind of showed you guys I clean. I like to clean my house before I leave if I'm gonna be out for a long day, just because the house was a freaking mess. So hopefully you guys enjoy Vlogmas 10, and hopefully you caught up with all of them. I did make a playlist on the bottom, so go ahead and click the Vlogmas 2020 playlist. It's my first try. Thank you guys so much for joining and watching. I appreciate the love and support. So yeah, so I'm on my way to get the Haitian patties right now. I'll show you guys what the Haitian patties look like when I get. So here are the herring patties that my mom always sends me to get. Now if you're familiar, they got chicken, beef, codfish, and herring. Now the herring ones that I get is from a place in Queens called La Baguette. Now these are really good because the herring is spicy, like yo, Haitian patties on the low banging. Like, not trying to shade any other patties, but these patties right here, so good. So look at that crust. Look at that crust. Oh.
Hi, Tukias.
Hi, Tukias. Tutut Mundi, hi.
Hello.
How are you?
How you doing? Hi. Katubam.
Não me cinco lá no mesmo. Vamos no sachê para badalem da Daniela. Mesmo no sachê. I guess Darling Davis and then I don't know, 2 and 2. Dobře. Oh, I need 2. 6.
Love you.
Love you. Qui la voile? I swear. Alright, love you. See you later.
I love you too.
Bye. Look at Dar's butt. He huge.
Hey you! Hey you!
Look at that little bag.
Cranberry Rita.
So cranberry Rita right here. And yes, I did take my press on nails off because it was falling off. But the bread tastes pretty good. It's a little bit hard at the end, so I guess it's not really worth it after all. This is my day. Dar ditched us. Just joking. She's too busy hanging out. That looks so good. And that's, what is this? The chicken? That chicken
looks like a chicken. Yeah, mash, broth, and then some spicy sauce. The blooming onion spicy sauce.
I need that. And this is my dinner. I guess my dinner. Yeah, this would be my dinner. I had a Haitian patty today. That was enough. I'll take that one.
This one?
Yeah.
How much is it?
$24.99.
She goes, how much is it? I'll take it.
Yep.
Okay, so TJ Maxx has the beige cosmetic. Oh, it's cute. It's studded too. And this is only $12.99 for this 12-piece set. And the Real Techniques one is $7.99 for a 3-piece set. But what kind of brush is coming out?
Large angled contour, buffing, precision blush, angled face shader, I don't know what that is, pointed foundation, large concealer brush, dome blending brush, shadow brush. Then it has like face and eye brushes.
Alright, let's just get that instead of the Real Techniques. So we're gonna get this for myself. I need to get rid of my brushes, try to figure out what's wrong with my face. I need this, guys, because I feel like I need this for my skin. So this is the only one that, oh, they haven't, I didn't even realize that. What other color? Oh, that's pretty.
I think that's the other one.
Well, I actually have 2 pills. Should I get 2 or should I just get 1?
The fact that
So here I'm getting this, guys.
One is kind of criminal. It's like $12.
So we're gonna see if I'm gonna change my pillowcase out and use these just to protect my hair and my face. So you can get these. How much this costs?
$8.
Yeah, $8. Focus, $7.99. So you think if I start this one right here, I'll be successful right now?
Maybe this fades like dark spots and stuff.
Let's see. Woo!
Do you have scissors?
Dan got me to buy this, guys. We're gonna try this out. Here it is.
Oh my god.
You know what's funny, Dan? That entire pack that I got from the Muir ad for $29.99, I could have got this acne treatment for $28.88 here. We are just loading up with skincare, guys. So which one would you get?
Oh, there was a difference. Yeah, what did they say there?
Nobody even told me what to get. How about this one? Detox Plus Smooth 2-step treatment mask. Wow, I don't even know what to get. Alright.
Maybe get this. I don't know if you should be mixing
products
if you already
together.
bought the other one. Just try the other one first, and if that one doesn't work, then get that.
Walmart got the best nail selection section. They have like the best nails. Dude, I think I'm gonna get these. My favorites. The XLs from I love this style. Maybe for next week I'll get the XL. I'm just gonna buy this one right here, guys. These XL ones, bomb. They're so long. And it's a pretty color too, and I have this one at home, but I'm gonna grab this one right here. This one, trust me, it's the business. What?
We need a dozen for ourselves.
A dozen patties for ourselves, bro? Alright guys, so I did go to a few stores today, as you guys saw. Hopefully copyright didn't kill the video and didn't kill the vibes, but I had a great time today. Saw my sister, saw my mom and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode of Vlogmas day 11. So I did get paper towel. I got some clear assorted you know, eatwear, whatever, cutlery or whatever you want to call it. I also did get the Clorox disinfectant wipes from Walmart. Now it is extremely hard to find these during like the COVID rush, so Walmart usually has like a few of these, and I was able to find these, and I think you were only limited to get 2, so I ended up grabbing 2 because like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna get the opportunity to get any more of these because people go ape shit trying to get these during the season. I also did get the Walmart Great Value brand disinfectant wipes as well too, just because I know I'm gonna need more of this. So I also got a Listerine, the Total Care one. This one is really spicy, by the way, so it's gonna really kick in your mouth, so I do like to use this. And we actually ran out, so I decided to pick up the bigger size. I don't know, for some reason I used to think that this was so expensive, and then I realized today that this was only $6, which is not that bad. I also got some plates per usual, and then I got some new washcloths. The washcloths at Walmart are literally like $4 for this entire pack, and it comes with 18. So I needed some new ones because, you know, I'm trying to keep up with the skincare routine and stuff like that. So I just kind of want to have like fresh cloths. So I did buy an 18 pack, like I said, for like $4. I also did get some nails at Walmart this time, and the nails that I got, I actually featured these before in a video. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link down below for these, and my press-on nails are off right now just because I lost one and I didn't feel like I actually threw out the rest of the pink ones, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna take them off. But these are so, oh my god, I love these so much. I'm gonna leave a link down below for these, but these are bomb AF. They're XL, so they're super long, like stiletto, coffin long, but they really put the B in bitchin'. So really nice. I also did get the different gel. You guys were telling me about it, but this is the reason why I only got this, because I did end up getting something else that I feel like is going to be more beneficial. So I did get the different gel cleanser, daily deep cleanser. So I'm still going to use this. I'm going to actually try this out tonight, guys, and tell you guys how I like it. So I'm going to try this out tonight. And the reason why I only got this one instead of getting like the whole set and stuff, because first I didn't even do my research on it. I was just looking at it a little bit, and then you guys recommended, so I was like, let me try their cleanser first. So when I went to TJ Maxx, I did find the Murad kind of kit. Now if you go to like Ulta, Sephora and stuff like this is super expensive at the store, but I found this at TJ Maxx for only $29.99. Now this one is more vitamin C based, and especially for my face, seeing that I have like a lot of the dark spots on there, it has like a lot of those like skin, like the color correcting, why do I keep saying that? Y'all know what I mean. It has that type of stuff to kind of get the dark spots removed and stuff like that. So I decided that I'm gonna do this instead. I've tried this before and I kind of felt like it was working, kind of lighten up some of the spots. So I'm gonna try this. Like I said, $29.99. You are not going to find this product for $29.99 anywhere else. If you can go to Ulta and try it, push your best luck. But I believe at Ulta, this kit at Ulta is about like 70 bucks or $80. So let me tell y'all, need to go into TJ Maxx and Marshalls because they always have the best deals. This was a great deal. So, and they actually give you a full size in this one, so that was excellent too, to get a full size product. I will show you guys once I open it when I do my skincare tonight. You guys know the vibes. I also decided to get some new makeup items too, so I'm gonna actually throw out all the makeup tonight, so you guys, hopefully I'll show that part. Maybe I'll just add that into tomorrow's vlog. Maybe I'll do that on the weekend. So I'll do that on the weekend because I'm just too lazy to do that now. I don't know. So I did get 2 new beauty blenders. I'm usually a beauty blender girl, so I found these at TJ Maxx and they were only $3.99 a piece. I usually use the Real Techniques, but I'm like, you know what, let me just try something else out. So I just picked these 2 random brands. If you ever heard of these brands, leave your comments down below. Let me know how they worked for you. But I need one for foundation because I like using beauty blenders for foundation, and I like to use one for powder. What the hell is that on top? Oh, that was a sauce. So yeah, so I like to use this one for powder and one for foundation. So I got 2. I use brushes sometimes, but maybe more so for my blushes, stuff like that. But foundation and like powder, like setting powder, I use beauty blenders. So those were a great deal. And then I saw this. So I was initially going to get the Real Techniques 3-piece brush set for $7.99 at TJ Maxx, but TJ Maxx actually had this BH Cosmetic one for $12.99. So this one is the BH Cosmetic, comes with a nice little studded kit. It has 12 pieces of brushes in here, so I'm like, okay, it's a better deal. And they actually tell you what kind of brushes are on the side and stuff like that. And like I said, it was only $12.99. So I'm gonna toss all my brushes out, toss all my beauty blenders out, and just start over because I'm trying to figure out what's causing my skin to break out. So that's kind of been like the mission this season. So trying to get my skin better for my birthday on December 27th. So I got about 2.5 weeks left to get it together. So I figure let me just throw all the brushes out, let me throw all the beauty blenders out, and let's start over. So that's what I'm gonna do. I also ended up getting the Morning Glamour Wake Up Glamour Satin Pillowcase. So I did tell you guys, so some of you guys recommended that maybe it's the pillowcase that's causing my face to break out, so I said, all right, let's figure this out. So I got the satin pillowcase because it's good for your skin and also for your hair. So it comes like this, and they sell these at TJ Maxx, like I said. I believe they also sell it at you know, like, what is it, Marshalls and stuff like that. So this one was only $7.99. Unfortunately, it only comes with 1 pillowcase. So I mean, I only need 1 because I only like drool on 1, I guess. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna actually sleep, because I figure that you guys are right, I'm sleeping more on my right side, but I'd rather sleep on something softer that's not gonna irritate my skin. And I'm not gonna spray my pillowcase or anything with Febreze or anything or any fragrances because it might be the fragrance. But I know I'm allergic. I have like really bad allergies, so I know my pillows are hyperallergenic. So I know it's not the actual pillows, and I order those special because I be really bad. So I know it's not the pillows, but it might be the pillowcase just being a little bit, you know, dirty from all the drooling and stuff. So I'm gonna use this satin one to just be a little bit softer on my skin and kind of, you know, help this area out. So thank you for the recommendations. But if you're looking for this, $7.99 at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, wherever you're gonna go, they have these in like the beauty healthcare section, you know what I mean. I also did get some Alba Botanica Acne Dot. So this is supposed to be an invisible treatment gel. So I got this before I got the Murad stuff. I got this before I went to Walmart for the Different Gel. Different Gel actually has kind of like a spot treatment that's about like $18. This actually was on sale for $5.99, and I mean, it doesn't hurt. It does have salicylic acid in, only about 2%. So I figured I'm just gonna get it anyways. It has a little bit more strength in it, and it might actually help as a spot treatment. I have a big juicy sucker right here, so I'm gonna do my skincare routine tonight and just drop this on just some of those nice kind of juicy spots that I have on my face. So that's why I got that. And I also got, oh, this is the last item. Wow. So the last item I got from TJ Maxx for $5.99 were these really cute French pressed nails. So they actually have great press-on nails at TJ Maxx, and the price is pretty reasonable. $5.99 is a bit cheaper than Walmart. The other nails I showed you guys from Walmart were $7.99, but come on, they're like the XL, they're bitchin', like they're just different. But this was a pretty good price. I thought these were really cute, and I think I'm probably gonna wear these next weekend. Next weekend is gonna be a really dope vlog. So you know my weekend vlogs when I combine the days together. Next weekend is like a Sagittarius Capricorn kind of birthday mix thing. So it's gonna be really fun next weekend. So you got, this weekend's gonna be fun too, but next weekend's gonna be dope. From moving, well, I feel like the whole Vlogmas was pretty dope. What y'all think so far? Yeah, so I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and then we're gonna get this skincare, shower and skincare together. This is the rosary that I picked up today. It was only $25, and this is the brand right here. It's a really, really nice rosary, guys. Look at the details on here. Love, love, love this. I was looking for like a little cute, little delicate kind of girl piece, I guess you can call, but a rosary is definitely the way to go. Only $25, and it's kind of like that light gold. It's not that fake looking type of gold, so that's why I got it. So I definitely recommend this one. I really, really, really like this rosary a lot. So I just realized that putting the camera in auto when it's kind of dark in the room just is better for filming quality, because I swear I just switched the settings just now, and I'm just, it's a little bit brighter in here, if y'all know what I mean. But I wanted to let you guys know my period is over, and I am back. Guys, so it's super late right now. Skincare is complete. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I actually like the Murad products. Literally the one that was in the clear bottle, hopefully everything focused so you guys can see it. The one that was in the big clear bottle, it really made a nice coat on my face, like gave me like a mask. I know it was like a skin protector, but wow. So my face is like pretty like solid and feels fresh AF. And even the little spot treatment thing I did, it actually left a coat on my face too, so it kind of is like shielding the pimples, and I did feel like a little bit of like a sparkle on the pimples. So products so far aren't that bad. I actually like them. The Different Gel was a little surprised because I thought it was going to come out like a clear color, but it came out like a white consistency, which is not bad either. But everything so far is what it is. Yeah, so ooh, I'm actually gonna head off to bed, guys. And this is actually not a pajama set. I turned it into a pajama set. It was actually like a beach wear, but COVID knocked everything out and I wore it to sleep, so I was like, this is gonna be pajamas. So I'm gonna head off to bed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas day 11. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the later one. Bye guys.